Hey guys, welcome back. This today is Friday, the 28th. We're gonna go on a little tour today to a place in Lodi, New Jersey called ReBar. It's uh, it's a nice bar. We're not gonna go inside with the camera. We bought some burgers and we bought some wings. So for tonight's episode, I'm gonna show you I think it's like the Texas burger, but I'll actually, if you give me a minute, I'll tell you what it is right now. So the location of Rebar, ReBar, is 132 Essex Street, Lodi, New Jersey, and I got some Rebar wings. I got some classic Rebar, and I got something called Bourbon Street burger. They're known or they're famous or they're popular with the 10-ounce burger that they serve. And the Bourbon Street burger is a blackened with Cajun spices, topped with pepper jack cheese and homemade chili. The classic rebar is just a burger with American cheese. That's pretty much it. Rebar wings is just the regular buffalo style, and it's $16 for 6 wings. Classic rebar is $12, and the Bourbon Street burger is $14, and these are all 10-ounce burger. All right, so the next so stay tuned. I'm gonna uh I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. I'm going to show you guys the burgers. I'll cut it up. I'll eat into it, and I'll show you guys exactly what the burger is about. All right. See you soon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're trying the ReBar Burger and buffalo wings. Gonna go check it out. What is this? There are some sauces. Got some sauce. Got this. Got that. All right. And then we got the wings. Yeah. There you go. And then we got the burger. Check that out. All right, good stuff. Let's try this. The burger here. And we got the fries. And we got the fries. All right. Fries are not bad. Crispy. Meaty. I'm not so crust in it. Can't go wrong. wings and things. Burger. Fries. Good. See what this is. Ketchup. Ranch. Probably more ketchup. Let's start with the wings. Traditional buffalo. Some ranch. Good. Not too salty. Not too much saucy. You know. Average. It's average. It's fine. No spice. Almost plain. Anyway, not spicy at all. Average. Average. Okay, burger time. Check this out. It's huge. That's how big it is. It's chili, cheese, meat. That looks it. We're there. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Excellent burger. Excellent burger. Oh man, it's good. Check this out. You can actually taste the chili in here. So the wings are okay. It's not hot. Fries are crunchy. Right? It's dense, like real potato. It's okay. It's pretty good. But the burger is good. A lot of flavor. The meat was cooked medium well. Super tender, super flavorful. Good. Pass or fail? It's definitely pass. The fries. Fries. It's not bad. This is chili. You can do the beef. It is cheese. Quite good. It's not spicy. Try chicken again. Try a different piece. Okay. You get this some of the Tabasco that's on here. It's not much, but overpowering. Not a fry. It's okay. They're okay. Average. Decent. Get by. Burger is full with flavor. Oh. Well, ReBar Burger, ReBar Bar. Makes one of the best burger around here. And that's it. Coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Burger. Oh. Fries. Not bad. Real complaints. The burger, it's $14. It comes with the burger and the fries. Definitely worth it. This is 6 for $16. It's not worth it. So no to the wings. Yes to the burger. 14 bucks. Have your fries. Have your burger. Can't go wrong. All right. So that's it. I'm gonna continue eating, and if you guys get a chance, check out ReBar Burger in Lodi, New Jersey. That's it.